Today, we're going to look at Hiragana Part 2. Hi everyone, this is Salvo and welcome to Ninjaglossa, your language learning hub. This channel is entirely dedicated to language learning. I'm going to try my best to share with you my knowledge and passion that I've got for foreign languages and cultures. So these are the kana that we saw in our previous video. We saw the a, I sounds, ka, sa, shi, ta, te, ma, and mi. So today we're going to look at ha, ha. This kana is ha, like in the word hashi, hashi, which means bridge, hashi. So you can already distinguish the ha and shi, and you can put the word together, hashi. The same word, hashi, written in hiragana, can also mean chopsticks. Chopsticks. So these are hashi. これはhashi desu. Or like in the word for flag, hata. Hata. これはhata desu. This is the flag. Or like in the word hai. Hai. Yes. Hai. The other kana is so. So. It's all one stroke. Like in the word miso, like the so famous miso soup. Miso. Next is u. U is not really a u sound. It's a very closed u. U. Like uma, a horse. Uma. Then su. Like in the word sushi. Sushi. これは sushi desu. This is ko. Like koi. 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 Koi is a carp. Koi. So in Japanese, if you want to say here, you say koko. Koko desu. Here it is. Koko. And if you want to say over there, it's asoko. Asoko. So koko, or asoko. You can write koko just by repeating koko, and asoko to say over there. Asoko. This is the letter n on its own. It's not na, ni, nu, ne, no. It's just n. And this is the letter chi. Like in the word nichi. Nichi means day. Nichi. Konnichiwa. Kon. So you have ko, kon, and then nichi wa. So if you're asking yourself, why is the ha pronounced as wa? The very reason, the simple reason, is that whenever ha is part of a word like hana or hashi or hai, or hanasu, you pronounce it as ha. However, when this same kana is not a word but a grammar particle, like in this case, konnichi wa, we read it as wa. That's all. So konnichiwa, konnichiwa, which means good day. To, this kana is to. Soto, soto. Soto does not mean chicken. Soto means outside. Soto, soto, soto. No, no. So if you want to say this island, you say kono and then shima. Shima, we covered this word in the previous video. Shima, island. So kono shima, this island. Kono shima. And this kana is ki. Ki, just on its own, means tree. Ki. So this is a tree. これは木です. Or like in the word to go, ikimasu, ikimasu, ikimasu. This kana is wa. Like in watashi. Watashi means I. Watashi. So wa, ta, shi. Watashi. This kana is na. Like in nasu or nas. Nasu, eggplants. Or nani or nan, which means what, nan, or nani. Anata means you. Anata. So watashi, anata. Watashi, I. Anata, you. Anata, anata. So these are the hiragana that we covered in this video. So far, you can see that you know almost more than 1/3 of the hiragana script in Japanese. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.